Are you making dangerous mistakes with your supplements without even realizing it? Today on Live Healthy. Every day, we're going to uncover the 11 most common and sometimes costly supplement mistakes people make every day. Some of these could be sabotaging your health, wasting your money, or even putting you at risk. Stay tuned, because the truth might surprise you. You've probably heard it before. You don't need supplements if you eat well. While it sounds nice in theory, the reality is different. For example, it's almost impossible to get enough vitamin D from food alone. And refined carbs, processed snacks, and certain cooking methods can strip away valuable nutrients. Even with a clean diet, modern lifestyles and environmental factors make nutrient gaps almost inevitable. When you take your supplements, matters more than you think. Morning Boost. Most supplements, especially those that help with energy and focus, work best earlier in the day. Avoid electrolytes before bed. They can shift fluid balance and disrupt sleep. Vitamin D. Some people feel energized if they take it in the morning, while others sleep better when taking it before bed. Skip calcium right before meals. It can neutralize stomach acid and make digestion harder. A small adjustment in timing can turn an okay supplement routine into a game changer. Taking a handful of pills in one gulp might seem efficient, until it goes wrong. The speaker in the original story tried to swallow multiple beetroot supplements with olive oil during a cleanse, and ended up with chest pain, fearing a heart attack. Lesson: take supplements with water, in smaller amounts, and preferably with food to make swallowing safer and absorption better. If you're trying to fix a specific health issue, introduce new supplements individually. That way you'll know exactly which one is working, or which one is causing side effects. No matter how many capsules you swallow, they can't cover up a diet full of excess carbs, sugar, and low-quality foods. One personal example: extreme fatigue persisted until protein was added to breakfast. After that, energy levels soared, without changing the vitamins. Think of supplements as support, not a substitute for proper nutrition. Those one-a-day bargain bottles often use the cheapest possible forms, like calcium carbonate, also found in cement, or synthetic beta-carotene, which has been linked to increased cancer risk in studies. High-quality supplements often use natural, food-based sources with better absorption and fewer fillers. When possible, choose natural complexes rather than low-grade synthetics, with the exception of certain vitamins like niacin and biotin, which are fine in synthetic form. If you're on medication, always check for conflicts. Combining blood pressure meds with supplements that also lower blood pressure can push you into dangerous territory. If you're taking metformin for diabetes, adding berberine could lower blood sugar too much, unless managed with your doctor. When on antibiotics, taking probiotics can help preserve gut health. Herbs like milk thistle may protect the liver from the effects of common painkillers like Tylenol. Nutrients don't work in isolation. Some need partners. Vitamin D needs magnesium to activate. Too much zinc over time can drain copper levels. Excess sodium without potassium creates imbalance. Balanced mineral blends are often better than single, high-dose minerals. Not all advice is equal. Some health professionals may have memorized biochemistry in school without gaining practical, real-world experience in supplementation. Seek out those with proven expertise in the area you're concerned about. And be aware that some institutions downplay the benefits of affordable, non-patentable nutrients like vitamin D, possibly due to industry bias. The recommended daily allowance often prevents only the most severe deficiencies. It's not designed for optimal health or therapeutic effects. Many people have genetic variations that make it harder to absorb vitamin D or B vitamins. Stomach acid levels affect nutrient absorption, especially B12 and minerals. Sometimes betaine HCl is needed to restore acidity. If you avoid animal products, it's essential to supplement with B12, vitamin D3, omega-3 from algae, iron, zinc, iodine, and calcium to prevent deficiencies. Vitamin D has a short half-life, about 24 hours, meaning daily intake through sun or supplements is best for keeping your immune system strong. The suggested maintenance dose? Around 10,000 IU per day, which research suggests is safe for most adults and far more effective than the outdated 600 IU RDA. Deeper mistakes and how to make supplements work harder for you. One of the biggest, yet most overlooked mistakes in supplementation is ignoring the role of lifestyle in nutrient absorption. You can be taking the best quality supplement in the perfect dosage, But if your body is in a constant state of stress, inflammation, or poor digestion, much of it goes to waste. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can deplete magnesium, B vitamins, and vitamin C. It can also slow down digestive processes, meaning even fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K might not be absorbed well. Simple changes like deep breathing before meals, eating slowly, and reducing caffeine overload can improve your supplement return on investment. Another often missed factor is gut health. A healthy gut microbiome isn't just for digestion. It helps synthesize vitamins like K2 and certain B vitamins. If you're constantly bloated, have irregular bowel movements, or suffer from frequent gas, your gut might not be in the condition to fully benefit from supplements. This is where probiotics, prebiotic fibers, and fermented foods can play a vital role. Hydration also matters. Many water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and the entire B complex are transported in body fluids. If you're mildly dehydrated, your body may not distribute them efficiently. Pair your morning vitamin routine with a full glass of water, not coffee, not soda. And notice the difference. A subtle but important detail: taking certain vitamins with or without food. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K should always be taken with a meal containing healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. On the other hand, some minerals, like iron, are better absorbed on an empty stomach, unless they upset your stomach, in which case, a light snack may be necessary. Over-reliance on single miracle supplements is another trap. For example, taking high doses of vitamin C for immunity won't help if you're deficient in zinc, as the two work synergistically in immune defense. Similarly, taking calcium without vitamin D and K2 may not support bone strength and can instead contribute to calcium buildup in arteries. Be cautious with herbal supplements too. Natural doesn't automatically mean safe. Some herbs can thin the blood, raise blood pressure, or interfere with medications. Ginkgo biloba, for instance, can interact with blood thinners, increasing bleeding risk. Always research or seek professional advice before adding potent botanicals. Storage conditions are another hidden factor that can reduce supplement potency. Heat, moisture, and direct sunlight can degrade vitamins and probiotics. Keep them in a cool, dry place, and be wary of storing them in bathrooms where steam can reduce their shelf life. Lastly, periodic reassessment is critical. Your supplement needs can change with age, season, health conditions, and diet changes. A vitamin D dose that works for you in winter might be too much in summer if you spend more time in the sun. Similarly, recovering from illness may temporarily increase your need for certain nutrients, which can then be scaled back. By paying attention to these lifestyle and practical factors, you ensure that your supplements aren't just something you take, but something your body can actually use. It's the difference between expensive urine and real measurable benefits. Advanced strategies, myths, and real-life application. Many people assume that supplements work like medicines. Take one and expect a quick fix. But unlike pharmaceuticals, supplements often require consistent, long-term use before the benefits become noticeable. For example, omega-3 fatty acids may take several weeks to integrate into cell membranes and influence inflammation markers. One persistent myth is that more is always better. In reality, nutrient toxicity is possible, especially with fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Excess vitamin D can lead to high calcium levels, causing kidney stones or heart issues if not balanced with K2 and magnesium. Iron overload is another risk, particularly in men and postmenopausal women who don't lose iron through menstruation. This is why iron supplementation should ideally be based on blood tests, not guesswork. On the flip side, some people fear higher doses entirely and stick religiously to low RDAs. But RDAs were designed decades ago to prevent acute deficiencies, not to optimize health or address modern chronic conditions. In some cases, targeted higher doses under professional guidance can make a life-changing difference. Another overlooked concept is cycling supplements. Just as the body benefits from exercise variety, certain supplements may work best when used in cycles. For instance, adaptogens like ashwagandha or rhodiola may be more effective if taken for a few months, followed by a break, to prevent the body from adapting and reducing their impact. Combining supplements with functional foods can enhance absorption and effectiveness. Turmeric supplements, for example, are best absorbed with black pepper extract, piperine, and a fat source. Green tea extract works synergistically with a moderate dose of caffeine for metabolic benefits. Collagen supplements may be more effective when paired with vitamin C to support collagen synthesis. Misinterpreting supplement labels is another common problem. Natural doesn't mean pesticide-free or organic, and pharmaceutical grade is often a marketing term without strict regulation. Third-party testing from labs like NSF, USP, or Informed Choice offers better assurance of purity and potency. There's also the placebo effect to consider, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. If taking a daily supplement motivates you to make healthier choices in diet, exercise, or sleep, the net benefit can be significant, even if part of the effect is psychological. Finally, the foundation principle. Supplements are not magic bullets. They're part of a broader health puzzle that includes diet, movement, stress management, and adequate rest. The right supplement plan, customized to your needs and backed by informed choices, can be a powerful tool, but only when used in harmony with a healthy lifestyle. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people when it comes to understanding how to use supplements wisely. Now it's your turn. Take what you've learned today, evaluate your current routine, and make adjustments where needed. And while you're at it, I'd love to hear your experiences. Have you ever taken a supplement that made a huge difference? Or one that turned out to be a waste of money? Share your story in the comments. And if you want more science-backed, easy-to-understand health tips just like this, make sure you subscribe to Live Healthy every day, tap the notification bell, and join our growing community. Your journey to better health starts here, and I'm excited to be part of it with you.